Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 48th International Film Festival of India, an evening where we celebrate cinema at its best. Let's begin this glorious evening with a dazzling display of India's visual and poetic history. The Drums of India is a story revealed through dialogue between different energies through movements, expressions, and sound. Ladies and gentlemen, The Drums of India.
Taddinnam tadiko takajanako kupataketo kupataketo taddin kotakajanako taddin kartakataddin tankataddin tankataddin tankartakataddin tankatajana takadinnam tadiko takajanako kupataketo kupataketo taddin kotakajanako taddin dana dana takita 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 dekita kotakadikina dana dana takita 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 dekita kotakadikina takdadim dim takita takita dim dim takita takadim takita dim talankuchum kartakatatum talankuchum kartakatatum talankuchum kartakatatum
very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका. It gives me great pleasure and it is a matter of honor for me to welcome you all to Goa for the 48th International Film Festival of India. First, a big round of applause for the Drums of India for putting up this spectacular opening for us this evening. सिनेमा का कारण वैसे तो सिर्फ 150 साल पहले हुआ था, परंतु हमारे महान देश भारत में कहानियों का सिलसिला हजारों सालों से चला आ रहा है, सुनने का भी और कहने का भी. आप सबको मालूम होगा हमारे देश में कहीं ना कहीं पर आपके अपने परिवार में कहीं ना कहीं एक बहुत ही दिलचस्प छोटी सी कहानी जरूर छुपी हुई होगी. We are truly a land of stories, of fables, of cultural history, religious history, mythology and legends. Stories that have mesmerized us. Stories that make us think. Stories that make us believe, give us hope and inspire our future generations to their future and larger potential. So tonight, it feels absolutely wonderful to be surrounded by the storytellers of the world at the birthplace of stories, that is India. And thank you everyone, all the delegates, all the filmmakers who have collected here tonight. Thank you. I think over the years, पिछले 30 सालों में मैंने एक छोटी सी बात सीखी है. फिल्में प्यार और प्रेम का प्रतीक हैं. Filmmaking is about loving. And I don't mean the love stories that I have been peddling for years, or the plot to be only about a love story. I truly believe that films are made with the collaboration of hundreds of people coming together, working relentlessly for an idea they all believe in and they love and they want to share it with the world. This idea becomes the film we all watch, and sometimes we feel very happy watching it. Sometimes we dance along with the film. At other times we get angry, disturbed or agitated. And that exactly is the magic of storytelling. A magic which has the power to touch all our senses, and in doing so, actually binding us together. The essence of storytelling is incomplete if there is no story listener. And I believe that storytellers and story listeners are, or at least should be, like a family. There is a word in Sanskrit, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It means bringing the world together like a family. And Goa itself has an amazing story, how it came to be the hub and the center of the International Film Festival of India. And no one better to tell you that story than the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar Sahab, who I would like to invite on stage to say a few words and set the ball rolling. Sir.
ज़्यादा बड़ा भाषण देना मुझे आता नहीं, काम करना आता है. और शाहरुख जी ने कहा कि फिल्म फेस्टिवल यहाँ कैसा आया, उसकी स्टोरी मैं बता पाऊँगा, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि वो कहानी अभी बहुत पुरानी हो गई. अभी गोवा में फिल्म फेस्टिवल हर बरस आ रहा है, और मैं इतना ही आप लोगों को कहना चाहता हूँ कि 2019 जिस साल फिल्म फेस्टिवल को 50 साल होने वाले हैं, ये फिल्म फेस्टिवल हम लोगों ने उसको पूरा खुद का जगह with all inbuilt multiplexes and everything is planned, and it will be set up about 1.5 kilometers from this place for its own housing. I welcome more than 6,000 delegates, and would like to apologize in advance in case of any inconvenience caused to them because of more than expected response. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपको मेहमान आने में मज़ा आती है, लेकिन जैसे ज़्यादा मेहमान आ जाते हैं तो तकलीफ़ें भी उठानी पड़ती है. हम लोग हमारे तरफ से सभी तकलीफ़ें दूर करेंगे, इतना मैं आप लोगों को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूँ.
तो मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा स्टेज पर मेरे बहुत ही प्रिय और वर्सेटाइल एक्टर फर्स्ट मिस्टर राजकुमार राव। और इन्हीं के साथ बहुत ही खूबसूरत और बहुत ही टैलेंटेड जो इंटरनेशनल स्टेज पे भी बहुत काम कर चुकी हैं, मेरी दोस्त राधिका आप्टे। राधिका जी।
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shahrukh sir. Thank you, Raj, and thank you, Radhika. राज, आप लोग जैसा जानते हैं बहुत ही बेहतरीन कलाकार हैं, बहुत ही वर्सेटाइल एक्टर हैं और अभी हाल ही में इनकी नई फिल्म न्यूटन ऑस्कर अवार्ड्स के लिए भी भेजी जा रही है हमारे देश से। सो बिग बिग कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
एंड इंशाल्लाह यू विल मेक अस वेरी वेरी प्राउड राज। और क्योंकि इतने मेथड एक्टर हैं, मैं स्टेज से हूं तो मुझे मालूम है स्टेज पर जाने से पहले ऐसा कहा जाता है, ब्रेक अ लेग। तो राजकुमार राव जी को जब कहा गया कि ब्रेक अ लेग, तो बड़ा लिटरली तोड़ कर आ गए हैं यहाँ पर।
अब क्या करूं सर, मुझे ईफी से प्यार ही इतना है कि मतलब मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूं उसके लिए।
हम सब इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल इंडिया और स्टेज पर यहाँ पे आकर इसका हिस्सा बनने के लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। और राधिका इतनी खूबसूरत हैं तो मुझे मालूम है बड़ा सीरियस सा होता है यार, इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल का जो फंक्शन होता है यहाँ पे बड़े तमीज़ से पेश आना होता है, वरना स्मृति ईरानी जी मुझे बहुत गुस्सा करेंगे। तो मैं कोई भी गलत बात नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन तुमसे रोमांस किए बिना नहीं जाऊँगा मैं राधिका। तो इसलिए सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियां, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियां, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयां नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान। Thank you so much for being here and taking the evening through.
Ladies and gentlemen, and before I start, let's give a big hand to the one and only Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our esteemed international jury with a huge round of applause. Chairman of the jury, Mr. Muzaffar Ali. Members of the jury, Ms. Maxine Williamson, Mr. Roger Christian, Mr. Zahi Grad, Mr. Vladislav Obolyansk.
Well, the International Film Festival seems like a second home for us, for me particularly. Since the 7th International Film Festival, I've been part of it. And it's really wonderful and a great honor to be with such luminaries, to see such beautiful work and deliberate for over the next 10 days in defining what's going to be the most seminal films for the world. And India is very lucky to be showcasing these films. And I'm very, very inspired to spend these 15 days, these 15 films and 10 days looking at each of them and arriving at what should be given the right and the rightful place and honor in this world.
When Dada Saheb Phalke, the father of Indian cinema, released his Raja Harishchandra in 1913, women used to shun movies and it was left to male artists to play female characters. But time has changed since then.
They certainly have, Radhika. So many actresses over time have depicted strong women characters that have left a mark on society and become an inspiration to many.
Nutan, Suchitra Sen, Madhubala, Wahida Rahman, Kajol, Juhi Chawla, Madhuri Dixit.
And more recently, Tabu, Vidya Balan, Kangana Ranaut, Radhika Apte. They have all broken free from stereotypes and redefined the role of women in films.
One such woman who carved her own niche is here with us today. She started her career as a child actor at the age of 4 and has done more than 100 films in 5 different languages.
She changed the dynamics of Hindi cinema by becoming one of the first women who could carry a film on her shoulders.
She enthralled audiences with her acting and her comic timing is legendary. I am really proud to call on stage the queen of Hindi cinema, someone who is loved by each and every Indian, Hum Sab Ki Chandni.
चांदनी मेरी चांदनी तू मेरी चांदनी.
Welcome, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
Good evening, Namaskar, Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Preeti Rani ji. Sabko Namaskar. I'm very happy to be part of the International Film Festival of India as it gets into its 48th year. IFFI 2017 celebrates Indian and international cinema with some of the best talent from across the world. I would like to welcome all our guests and the cinema fraternity present here to India's biggest and Asia's oldest film festival. And thank you so much for having me here. Namaste.
That was a special homage for people who departed this year.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Goa's very own Sonia Shirsat, who is also famous as the ambassador of Goan music to the world. Thank you very much, Sonia, for performing on this traditional Konkani Mando. Some amazing talent left us this year, but as the greatest showman of our country, Shri Raj Kapoor aptly said, "Jeena yahan, marna yahan, iske siwa jana kahan." The show must go on.
And with that thought in mind, let's call one of Hindi cinema's brightest stars.
What can we say about our next guest? Well, he loves to take risks, never shy of breaking the stereotypical mold of a leading star. He has reinvented himself many a times. Today, he is one of the most bankable stars we have. Be it Urta Punjab, Kamine, or Jab We Met, he has the natural ability to own his parts. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the best performers to grace Indian film screens, Shahid Kapoor.
Welcome, Shahid.
Welcome, Shahid.
Thank you, Rajkumar. You guys are doing a great job. Thank you very much. I'm a little nervous. I'm not used to
Thank
giving
you.
speeches, but I'm going to try.
Well,
Alright,
I
I'm
want to tell
here.
our audience, एक बड़े इत्तेफाक की बात हुई थी सन 2013 में. Remember, Shahid?
Yeah, I remember I met you
Yes.
in the gym. I was training very hard for my film, which was named after you.
शाहिद ने एक फिल्म की थी आर राजकुमार नाम की, और आर राजकुमार ने एक फिल्म की थी शाहिद नाम की.
And I must say that your performance in Shahid was a lot more going with my name than mine in R. Rajkumar was going with your name and your
Well, your
personality.
name was the inspiration, Shahid.
Thank you. I hope the film industry grows to gain more repute. I hope it's given a little more importance because I think we deserve it. We've been a big part of creating a certain perception that India has today. We are looked at with a lot of respect. We're looked at as a country with a great future ahead. And I think Indian cinema has contributed to that. And so this festival is a great platform to showcase the talent that lies within this country. And it's great that we have our own festival. It's great that we're here to celebrate all kinds of cinema, because eventually cinema is above languages, above barriers. Cinema is above nations. Cinema is life. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. और जैसे शाहरुख खान सर ने आज की शाम की शुरुआत में कहा था कि इंडिया इज a land of storytellers, I will add to that and say that India is also a land of celebration and festivities. Come to think of it, festivities, or what we call in Hindi, Utsav, is an intrinsic part of our culture. हर शहर के हर मोहल्ले में, हर गली में, कभी दिवाली और कभी ईद का मिलन, कभी बैसाखी और क्रिसमस का जश्न. मथुरा की होली हो या केरला की ओनम, मैसूर में दशहरा हो या कोलकाता में दुर्गा पूजा, भारत रंगों का देश है, भारत उत्सव का देश है. तभी तो हमारी फिल्में भी किसी भी उत्सव से कम नहीं होती. उनमें शादियां और त्योहार होते हैं, नाचना होता है, गाना होता है, संगीत होता है. जहां अल्फाज खत्म हो जाते हैं वहां पूरी दुनिया में हमारी फिल्में बोलती हैं. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज वेलकम द विजुअल स्पेक्टिकल दैट इज उत्सव. थैंक यू.
इफ़ी 2017 की inaugural film है Beyond the Clouds, directed by someone who, even though he makes his films in Iran, his soul belongs to global cinema. I'm talking about none other than Majid Majidi.
Mr. Majidi's film Children of Heaven was the first Iranian film to ever get a nomination for the best foreign film category at the Academy Awards. अब देखो राधिका, अब इस लेजेंडरी फिल्म डायरेक्टर का कितना बड़ा इंडियन कनेक्शन है ना?
क्या? कैसे?
सी मजीदी अपनी ज्यादातर फिल्म्स कौन सी लैंग्वेज में बनाते हैं?
ईरानी.
Exactly. हमारी मिनिस्टर साहिबा का नाम क्या है?
स्मृति ईरानी.
So you know ईरानी.
Oh my God, Raj.
Mr. Majidi, ladies and gentlemen.
خب ما بین ایران و هند به هر حال ارتباط فرهنگی بسیار زیادی وجود داره و همیشه این رویا در ذهن من بود که من یه روزی بتونم در هند فیلمی بسازم.
There are many cultural similarities between Iran and India, and always it has been my dream to have the chance to make a film here in this mysterious land.
بالاخره بعد از چند سال این رویا تحقق پیدا کرد و فیلم بیاند کلاود ساخته شد.
So after years, fortunately, it happened.
و با یه همراهی خیلی خوبی و با یه گروه خیلی خوبی در هند، چون همه عوامل، من فقط تنها در واقع بودم و همه عوامل من، چه عوامل فنی و چه بازیگر، همه از هند بوده.
With a wonderful production and so Indian team, because it has been all Indian crew, so it was a wonderful collaboration between the team.
Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming the team of Beyond the Clouds with a huge round of applause. The ace music director of the film, our very own Mr. A.R. Rahman. The dialogue writer of the film, Mr. Vishal Bhardwaj. The producers of the film, Sujoy Kuti, Shireen Mantri and Kishore Arora. And not forgetting the stars of the film, Ishan Khattar and Malvika Mohanan.
So I want to also introduce two new talents. Definitely would be a superstar in the coming feature films very soon.
Ishan and Malvika.
Ishan and Malvika.
Hello everyone. It's great to be here. It's great to be here. It feels very unusual and extraordinary to be standing here working with an Iranian filmmaker who's internationally known, a great human being and a very courageous person. We both have got fatwas. We are in a very elite society here. And I want to wish Ishan, Malvika and the whole crew, Vishalji, great honor. Thank you so much.
Lights, camera, action से पहले इस फेस्टिवल की असली स्टार को बुला लिया. I'd request Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani, Honorable Minister of Textiles and Information and Broadcasting, to please come up on stage.
Thank you for a lovely evening that you've hosted. Rajkumar Rao, Radhika Apte, let me say this. You are a pride, not only for the industry, not only for the creative business, but also India per se, because you're the young talent that resonates across the world. हमारे देश में लगभग 1600 डायलेक्ट्स में कहानियाँ बोली जाती हैं. आज का ये फेस्टिवल का समारोह अपने आप में इसलिए अनोखा है क्योंकि इसमें 5 साल की पीहू भी है, किंग खान ऑफ रोमांस भी है, नाना पाटेकर भी हैं एंड द एथरल श्रीदेवी भी हैं, और साथ ही एक महिला निर्देशिका हैं जिन्होंने राजकुमार राव की टूटी हुई टांग पर भी बर्फी का नाम लेकर बहुत नचाया बरेली की बाजार में. आज इस मंच से मैं यहाँ उपस्थित सभी महानुभावों को आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ. जैसे शाहिद कपूर ने कहा, ये देश सेलिब्रेशंस का है, ये देश उत्सव का है और ये देश यंग एनर्जी का है. So irrespective of the generation of actors, storytellers who are here this evening, it is our endeavor on behalf of the Government of India and the Government of Goa that we invite filmmakers from the world over to this land of stories. As King Khan said, connecting the world through stories, that is the endeavor of the 48th International Film Festival of India. Yet again, my grateful thanks to the screening committee, which has legends again like Piyush Pandey, Siddharth Roy Kapoor, who holds the banner of the Guild, Mr. Bharat Bala, Vani Tripathi, Nagesh Kukunur. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have the very celebrated Subhash Ghai ji seated here today. And I'm glad that we have an international jury headed by the dynamic Muzaffar Ali. This festival, it starts today until the 28th of this month, will help you meet some of the biggest and the brightest names in the Indian film industry. This evening would not be complete without thanking a doyen of filmmaking, the pride of Northeast, Jano Barua.